Are there any regulatory protections for smaller, vulnerable businesses? Any thoughts?
I think there are, off the top of my head. Again, I'm not a complete expert in those contract sort of terms, but certainly from that point of view, and going back to your point about the way things are going to develop over a period of time, there's a number of things here, for example, that are being mooted, such as auto releases of retention. So you're actually effectively using project bank accounts or some other methodology or tool to be able to protect those. Yeah, and from Atoll, no, you can't have your tiles back off my roof. um, but I think it's about having those sort of things, and also maybe thinking ahead is not to be scared about using things like escrow accounts and so on. Again, they're quite technical things, so get the right advice and so on. But by doing that, you do protect yourself and you provide yourself with a bit of security where perhaps you wouldn't necessarily want to give somebody the biggest credit limit, but it does provide you with some sort of security. Project bank accounts, on the other hand, you've got to be careful how they are managed and what the terms are on them. They're not the panacea for all ills that the government thinks they are, because just because there's a project bank account, you still got to clear the invoice into it. Yeah. So there's a variety of different things, I'd say.